Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Reddit took a break today. Not that Reddit wanted to, but many of the moderators for countless subreddits decided to basically go dark, go private, and effectively turn off the fire hose because they were protesting the decisions recently made by Reddit. Now, I know you're thinking, well, Chris, it wasn't just Reddit. It was the CEO. Yeah, but the CEO was acting on behalf of Reddit, making changes that would specifically impact the Reddit ecosystem as it worked. So not just taking a viable opportunity away from a third-party developer. This was the one that floated to the top, the developer of Apollo, a very popular app, specifically for moderators who have to manage subreddits, but also Redditors, right? Anybody who uses Reddit. Anybody who uses Reddit would have been impacted by this. They're making decisions that may sound viable on paper, but the one thing that they seem to have glossed over is that Reddit is about the community. And keep in mind, community isn't always right. Like, just because they say this is the way it needs to be, doesn't mean they're right. The point is, the way they addressed it was the wrong way to go about it. And so there was a whole dialogue. I'm not going to get into it. You probably already listened to the drama, read the drama, if you're not already knee-deep in the drama itself. Someone brought receipts. And so the developer for Apollo, so they could have taken a different approach. They could have been more transparent, more direct, given a better plan for the third-party developers, or at least create some kind of ecosystem that was viable. Because without doing that, you're effectively messing with the wrong people. You're effectively messing with your product. Because for Reddit, it's not the platform. It's the people that are the product.